Many of you saw my last video where I talk a little bit about monthly income, but I didn't go as much in depth about it as I wanted to. And sure enough, after I filmed that video, a couple days later I actually got fired. Which was pretty amazing. Pretty damn fucking good. So today what I want to talk to you about is understanding finance a little bit more. I want to talk to you about taking a part of your income and investing it. This can be through the stock market. This can be through real estate investing. This can be through cryptocurrency. This can also be through precious metals, but that's not really a passive income. That doesn't pay you passively. So what I want to talk to you about is, what's your number? How much monthly income do you need so that you can be comfortable propelling yourself to the next level for your life? When you figure out that number, write it down. Okay? How are you going to achieve that number? Let's just say, I'm not a good math person. I'm not really, math is not my favorite subject. So let's just say you need $1,000 a month. And the next thing that you have to think about is, how are you going to solve for that? Okay, I need $1,000 a month so that I can focus more time and energy on my music to grow that income and be able to propel and thrive with that. Now you have to think, okay, it's going to take some money to get this going, but in the long run, it's going to be worth it. Because when you have that number that you're looking for every month, now that's fine. That's a portion of financial freedom for you. It might not be the end all be all, but I know one thing. That's going to get you to the next level. Okay? So you have to take a portion of your income every month and invest this money so that you can have it working for you. I think that if you're younger, today is my birthday. Actually, I just turned 22. So you have to think about it like this. If you're young, you can definitely handle more risk than somebody that's 60 or 70 or 80. Okay? So personally, I'm investing heavily into high risky investments. But at the same time, that's not a guarantee. I can lose that. I can lose that money tomorrow. And it might take a very long time to recoup it. It may crash. The market may crash. So what I really want to get through to you is, your destination is always in progress. If you're working a job that you hate, you may end up getting fired like I did. And you may end up being happy like I am. But so that you can achieve your goals and really live a fulfilled life of your destiny, invest your money. The worst thing is trading time for money that you're never going to get back for material, cotton, that is very easy to spend on things that don't matter, that are just frivolous. So if you invest your money and you have a certain amount of income every month working for you, you'll be able to propel yourself in advance into other avenues, doing other things. That's not the only stream of income. You need to have multiple streams of income. But the stock market is definitely something that I suggest, because it's probably the most passive stream of income that you can have. You invest your money and it sits there and it works for you every day. So if you like this video and you want to see more on these topics about finance, financial subjects, and the matters and the issues and how you can achieve greatness, let me know. Like this video, subscribe, comment, and I will keep doing videos like this, also on some more topics. And I hope you all have a very blessed day. And